Welcome to another video from Kairos Institute. If you are immersed in the field of logistics and looking to enter into the next phase of your career, then there are a number of things you can do to set yourself on the right path. But chiefly among them is learning what it really takes to achieve success for not only yourself but also your organization as a supply chain professional. The first skill that you need to have to be a successful supply chain professional is the ability to see the big picture. To find success in supply chain settings, professionals must be able to zoom out and visualize processes from start to finish. The successful supply chain expert will be able to anticipate what could go wrong with everything from packaging to shipping and delivery. The combination of critical thinking skills and past experiences often aid in a professional's ability to anticipate in this way. Each and every action has an outcome, says Christopher Setz, CEO of CFR Rinkins, an international shipping company. You must be able to formulate a contingency plan if necessary in order to make the supply chain flow continuously. Planning ahead is a major component of logistics. The second skill you need to have is adaptability. Sophie Miles, CEO of calculator.buddy.com, explains that after garnering nearly a decade of experience in internet entrepreneurship in Europe, she is expanding her company to enter the logistics and supply chain sectors. One key thing she has learned along the way is that adaptability and flexibility are crucial when it comes to the amount of changes supply chain professionals will face. The supply chain is becoming increasingly complex, with current trends representing great changes with respect to the last century. She offers explaining that the most successful logistics managers in today's workforce must possess the ability to adapt as their organizations and its processes continually evolve. The next skill you need to have is to be very calm under pressure. The supply chain work environment is often very fast-paced, and each step relies on successful completion of the step prior. A manufacturing line that does not have sufficient material or wrong material can shut down. This can result in a lot of money lost in a short amount of time. Successful logistics professionals are able to make split-second decisions when needed and can often be relied upon to put out any metaphorical fires that may erupt within the processes they oversee. The next skill that you need to have is effective problem-solving skills. Top-notch problem-solving skills are an absolute staple to professional success if you are pursuing a career in supply chain management. An effective supply chain management professional will use the multiple aspects of problem solving like analysis, business development knowledge, operational information, psychology, etc. to accomplish a task. Technology, data, goods and people will all have to be utilized and often cajoled into helping obtain positive outcomes for our company. The next skill you need to have is honesty. It's not uncommon in the logistics world to run into the temptation to use a white lie to cover a mistake, such as a late shipment. But a lack of integrity will only hurt your company in the long run. People often think they are protecting their company by covering problems from being exposed to customers, but it ends up coming back to haunt them every time. The best logistics employees have learned that honest communication with customers, while potentially embarrassing in the moment, creates lasting trust. The trust built not only strengthens the relationship your company has with the customer, but can also strengthen your standing in the eyes of your employer. The next skill is to be very proficient in project management. The most successful logistics professionals have a couple of things in common. They are organized and they are detail oriented. It's important to plan your day and tasks as effectively as possible. Supply chain management involves so many important details that must be reviewed carefully and planned for accordingly. Organizational skills are a requirement for a successful supply chain manager. In a position that requires coordination with a number of different teams and people, every detail must be accounted for. Incoming products must meet certain standards and must be delivered according to a specific schedule, with the supply chain manager effectively navigating elements like timing and cost. All the skills I have mentioned already makes one thing very clear. Supply chains don't always function without a hitch. Logisticians need to be able to handle stress and high intensity environments, as this business is full of unexpected changes. So the last and the most important skill you need to have is the ability to manage and release stress. In a world where everything should have been delivered yesterday in the mind of the customer, you have to be able to work in a very stressful environment and then let it out, let it not affect your day after day. That is all about the different skills one needs to possess to have a successful career in the logistics and supply chain management sector. I hope you have understood the video. I hope you have liked the video. Please like, share it with your friends and leave a comment below. If you want to get similar videos such as this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.